Okay, we are going to make some Boursin Ricotta Pasta bake. We are going to bring our water to a boil and salt it liberally. You want to be able to taste the salt in your water. Once our water is at a rolling boil, we are going to add our ricotta pasta. Sorry, penne pasta, not ricotta. Now remember, pasta does tend to double in size when you cook it, so if you're using dry, don't use more than you need. And we're just going to boil this until it's just below al dente. Alright, now that our pasta is just about at al dente, we are going to drain it and make our sauce. There. Now, to make our sauce, we are going to take 1 brick of Boursin cream cheese. Sorry, I want fine herb and garlic one. And you're going to throw that into our pot. Give it a bit of a stir. Throw a little bit of butter in there. Just keep it all from sticking while the cheese melts. So we added a little bit of creme fraiche and some ricotta to this mixture of ours and get it nice and creamy. Stay tuned, I'll teach you how to make your own homemade creme fraiche coming up here shortly. Next we're going to add just a little bit of jarred ricotta tomato sauce just to give it a little bit of extra flavor and depth. Probably about half a cup or so. Kitty, get out of the box. Next, I'm going to grate up a little bit of Havarti cheese and throw this in there, followed by some pecorino romano. And we're just going to melt that in too. Delicious. Grate a little extra cheese on top. I happen to have Havarti right now, but cheddar works beautifully, mozzarella works beautifully, Gouda is delicious, whatever kind of cheese you happen to have. Cheese goes on everything. Cheese is life. You don't need too much extra on top, just enough to let you know kind of when it's done cooking. And the cheese is all nice and crisp and bubbly. I wouldn't recommend grating any Parmesan or anything like that on top as it tends to burn. That should be grated on fresh when you're done. If you want extra, that is. Pop that up in the oven and bake. And perfectly baked, delicious Boursin Penne Pasta. If you like this video at all or even learned something, please give it a like, subscribe, and check out next time.